This is a classic invert the expressions functional equations. How do you solve it? We are given a quintic domain inserted in these functions. F of x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equals x. Our goal is to find f of x. How do you solve this problem? You can drop the answer in the comment box. And let's start by providing the solution to these beautiful functional equations. So here is the first method. So if you note that this domain x power 5 can also be written as x power 5 plus x raised to the power of minus 5. And if I let u to be equals 1 divided by x plus x, or you can say x plus 1 divided by x, any of these two, it works. And after considering this, let's find from this expression x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2. So this is the same thing as when we have x plus 1 divided by x all raised to the power of 2 minus 2. With x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2, since we are given u to be equals x plus 1 over x, this becomes u squared minus 2. And again, we can also find the solution to x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3. This gives us x plus 1 divided by x all raised to power 3 minus 3 into bracket of x plus 1 divided by x. Then x plus 1 over x is given as u, then raised to the power of 3 minus 3 multiplied by u. Moving on, let's find the power of 5. If we have x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5, so this is the same thing as when we have x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2, then multiply by x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3. So we multiply these two expressions together and we subtract x plus 1 divided by x from it. We are going to get x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power of 5. And after obtaining all this, so we should note that x power of 2 plus 1 over x power 2, this is given as u squared minus 2. And again, x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3, that one is given as u power 3 minus 3u. Then minus u. So considering all this, we are going to expand u power 2 minus 2 with u power 3 minus 3u, and which everything at this side is given as x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5. Let's expand. So we multiply u power of 2 with u power of 3 minus 3u. So we have u power 2 bracket u power 3 minus 3u. Then again we have minus 2 power u power 3 minus 3u, then minus u. Again, u power 2 multiplied by u power 3. This gives us u power of 5 following the rule of indices. Then what minus u power 2 multiplied by minus 3u, that gives us minus 3u power 3. Then minus 2 multiplied by u cube, that is minus 2u raised to power 3. Then minus times minus, that is plus. Then 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and here is u. Then minus u. From here, we have u power of 5. This is power of 3, and this is power of 3. Minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. Then u power 3 plus, here is 6u, this is u. This gives us 5u. And the whole of this expression is for u power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power of 5. Then, if the whole of this, assume I let the whole of this to be equals t. Because x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5 is this, that is the domain. And if I change everything to t, that is our new domain becomes u power 5 minus 5u power 3 plus 5u. And let's solve for that. So this is what we have. But let's recall that from the beginning we let u to be equals x plus 1 divided by x. Then if I cross multiply, we are going to have x squared minus ux plus 1 equals 0. So with this, we are going to solve for the value of x, and x always satisfies these equations. So solving for x quadratically, we have x equals u plus or minus the square root of u squared minus 4 divided by 2. And again, since what we have from the beginning, f of t equals x. So because we have already replaced the whole of domain with t, then we can have f of t equals x. And we have t here equals u power 5 minus 5u raised to power 3 plus 5u. So the t of u is a degree of 5 in u, and it's not simply expressed in radical form from t. So if this is what we have, then we are going to conclude that the value of f of x, by taking the highest power of x, so we are going to have it as f of t equals, we have it as u plus the square root of u squared. We have it as f of t plus t squared minus 4 divided by 2, then all raised to power of 1 divided by 5. So by changing this t to x, we have f of x, and from here t is greater than or equals 2. So therefore f of x is x plus the square root of x squared minus 4 divided by 2, then all raised to power of 1 over 5. So with s greater than or equals 2. This is how I solve this problem, though we still have another way of solving this, or more than one way. So we can just drop it in the comment box if there's any other ideas on how to solve this problem. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting functional equation problem. Bye bye.